At Understanding Faith, we like to keep our subscribers up to date in a variety of ways. For this, we turn to social media. UF has accounts and pages for Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Spotify, and we also have a subscription newsletter which we send via MailChimp. Let's break open what we use each platform for. On Instagram, we upload at least once a week, depending on what's happening in the calendar and liturgical cycle. We upload posts related to our blogs, content updates, subscriber testimonials, liturgical events, important announcements, and other fun graphic design posts. You can find us by searching our username, Understanding Faith Resource. On Facebook, we often cross-post with what we upload on Instagram. Additionally, we'll add extra important information, provide links, share other pages' resources, and live stream when we attend conferences and other events. You can find us by searching Understanding Faith. As you can tell, we post educational and informative videos on YouTube. These can be related to parts of our resource, how-to videos, webinars, event recaps, or biblical and theological videos. We highly encourage you to subscribe to our channel so you're notified of new uploads. On Spotify, we have a range of playlists available to followers. These include mellow songs, upbeat songs, instrumentals, songs within the UF resource, podcasts, and a playlist which we update monthly of our top recommended praise and worship songs. Again, by searching Understanding Faith, you will find our profile. You can sign up for our newsletter via our website homepage. We send these out bi-monthly, depending on what's happening at the time of year. In these newsletters, we include a message from our manager, new notices such as social media posts or new features to the resource, testimonials from our subscribers, links to songs, videos, podcasts, posts and/or stories, reminders, as well as some upcoming diary dates. We highly encourage you to subscribe to this newsletter, as well as our other platforms mentioned.